Drone and Base is the world's first indoor drone designed for gaming. It comes with a variety of single-player augmented reality games packed with laser shots and explosions. Overtake your opponents in thrilling multiplayer races and take them down in air battles with the drone controlled by a smart device. Your experience with Drone and Base starts with the Academy. Become a trained drone pilot, passing quick and easy missions in simulation and reality. Play against your drone and virtual opponents in augmented reality. You can unlock more weapons and get upgrades by passing levels. Once you complete the single-player games, challenge your friends in multiplayer race. Set up your racing track with bases. Add power-ups to move drone racing to the new level. Using Nitro in the right moment can help you win.
Nitro ready. Race completed.
Shoot down the opponent in the battle mode. Using powerful weapons like machine gun or chaos rocket can distract the players by rotating or shaking their drones. Dozens of games with tricks and acrobatics makes Drone and Base a true gaming platform which brings a new dimension of fun.